So welcome today. Today I'm walking to the most beautiful village in Tenerife called Masca. So I'm walking from Santiago del Teide through to Masca, and it's going to be some of the best views you can see in Tenerife, or perhaps anywhere. Now starting to go up through the forest and over this ridge. I'm going up this steep incline through the woods. I can't really see a path, but I just figure as I get up through the forest in a few hundred meters, I will get to the ridge. That's how high I've just climbed. So after that ascent through those trees, completely off-piste. So I climbed straight through. There's enough rocks, and with the trekking poles you can sort of push your way up using the rocks as like stepping stones. So it is possible, but it's definitely not for the faint-hearted. So we do have a natural spring here coming out the rock. So I'm not following any signs at the moment, I'm just sort of playing it by ear or trying to figure it out for myself. I do have a compass, and finally look what I found, a marker, and here are the signs. Wow, every time takes my breath away. So there you go, this is the right sign. So Punto El Palma, I think is the one. Hopefully a little bit easier from here. So having looked at this footpath, it's going to be a rocky climb again, I think, just to get over this next ridge, and then I think a little push, and then over those where those trees are. That's when we get the incredible view of both sides. Top of the ridge now, and now we're going to have the view of the sea and the Masca hills. Amazing views of the sea and La Gomorrah. It's a lovely temperature, it must be about, I don't know, 15 degrees, something like that. It's not really warm, it's just an excellent temperature for hiking. It must be the most beautiful walk, and there are so many in the Canary Islands and in Tenerife. But this, once you get on the ridge, that first part was tough. Once you get over that ridge, walking along the ledge, just amazing views of the cliffs and the sea. Talk about a recharge your batteries after a stressful week. Getting outdoors. So this is interesting, it's how they get water. Look at that, they use these nets, like this net, it looks like a tennis net. And then when the cloud comes in, it just catches the droplets of water in the netting, which is like a sort of a nylon netting, and then it comes down into these in this gully, and then collects in this structure here. So that's how you can collect water out here. So the footpath now going through the woodland, through the forest, and how far I am away down this one, I think. But I've got just over an hour to get there now, to get the bus. I'm just trying to enjoy every moment. I try and enjoy every moment now. Use all the senses, sight, sound, smell, So coming out to some civilization now. I walked 5.5. Still no sign. I don't know where I am. There's still no sign for the PR 59 or Masca. So on this side of the ridge you've got the beautiful green lush fields, agricultural steppes. Now this road is the Masca road, but I think I've totally come the wrong way. This is the sign I've got now, El Palma. I just got to keep on going, 2.7 down this hill. So I really don't know how I've done it, but I'm a long way from Masca. I'm in this lovely agricultural settlement in the middle of nowhere in Tenerife. I don't even know what it's called. The GPS says I'm 5 miles from Masca, so the good news is the bus is in 18 minutes, so I can get the bus back to Santiago del Teide. And what I'll do is then I'll continue the adventure. I'm not going to leave it here because I've still got plenty of time. I'm going to walk from Santiago del Teide back to Tamaimo, which I haven't done that stretch of this walk yet. That was a bit scary, wasn't it? But we saw all the sights in Masca, got back on the bus, so now back in Santiago del Teide. So now a spot of lunch, I think, before walking down to Tamaimo. So I think I might try this cafeteria over here. Look at that, perfect. After a long hike, nice burger and chips, can't go wrong. This is the busiest place I've seen in a while. You know, a lot of people around. It's Sunday, everyone's out for walking, for, you know, meeting friends. There's traffic jam. It's like real living again. It's like normality over here. Look, the restaurant's packed. It's a lovely restaurant, that one. I don't know how I ended up 5 miles the other side of Masca. It's really weird. It's like I was transported. I still don't know how I got that far down the valley. 5 miles from where I was supposed to be. 5 miles past where I was supposed to be. Really weird. So I caught the bus, but 20 minutes before I was supposed to catch the bus. I still don't know. So anyway, so I took the bus, and the bus took me through Masca. I got that footage. Lovely place. And now I'm walking back to Tamaimo. Puerto Santiago Las Gigantes. Down the valley. Yeah. Don't like exploring old places. It's an old engine. I think it's a pumping station. It's an old pumping station. Some sort of irrigation network. And then you've got an actual stream here at the moment because of all the rain we've had. And the water deposits some red. Don't know what that is. Some chemical. And it runs down the valley. Let's have a look. Whatever it is, maybe let me know. What do you think that is? Why is it so orange? We're coming around the corner now, and Tamaimo is coming into view for the first time. So I'm in good time. I may even get a nice cup of coffee somewhere just to finish off this lovely day. Almond Blossoms as I come into Tamaimo. A little bit warmer down here, and I'm on the pavement. That's it, back to civilization again. That's it, just waiting for the bus, and then I'll be back in no time to Los Gigantes. Thanks again for joining, really appreciate you joining on these adventures, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.